Why does your scanner show the P0026 engine code? What does it mean? P0026 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake valve control, solenoid circuit range, or performance bank 1. This engine code indicates that the engine control module, ECM, has detected that the actual camshaft position is not matching the desired position for the intake valves on the engine's first bank. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Low oil level or poor oil quality. Faulty VVT solenoid. VVT solenoid, wiring or connectors. Dirty oil passages. Rare ECU malfunctions. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Honda, Nissan, Subaru, and Hyundai models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.